In today's video, I'm going to explain how trusts are actually taxed. Now, you may have heard that trust tax rates are punitive. And let's face it, they kind of are. I mean, only after $15,000 of income, you're already in the highest tax bracket, paying the 37% tax. Compare this to an individual who can earn over $600,000 of income before paying 37% tax. Sounds kind of crazy, right? So are trust tax rates punitive? Sure. Is it really that bad though? Not necessarily, and here's why. Trust income is not double taxed. An irrevocable trust may have its own tax identification number and file a tax return each year, but it may not pay taxes if it distributes all of the taxable income to the beneficiary, because the beneficiary will report that income and pay the tax at their tax rates. It's helpful to understand that trust income is distributed first and trust principal is distributed second. So breaking down an example of this, let's say you fund a trust with $100,000. That is the trust principal. If throughout the year you earn $5,000 in interest and dividends, that would be your trust income, which normally would be taxable to the trust at the trust rates, unless you distribute that money to the beneficiary and then they will pay the taxes of that income at their rate. So let's say you distribute $10,000 from this trust. The first $5,000 of that $10,000 distribution would be the trust income, right? The trust would issue a K-1 to the beneficiary who will report that income and pay the tax at their rates. The second $5,000 of that $10,000 distribution, well, since there's no more income to distribute, it would be the trust principal. And that is not taxable to either the trust or to the beneficiary. So now that we have a better understanding of how trusts are actually taxed, when does it make sense for somebody to accumulate income inside of a trust, even with those condensed tax brackets? I'll give you two examples: control and protection. So let's say you have concerns about your beneficiaries inheriting a significant amount of money at once, or you want your money to be used for specific purposes. Well, control would be more important than taxes. Let's say that you are worried about creditor issues for your beneficiaries. Well, protection would be more important than taxes. I am a firm believer that we should first make good life decisions, then figure out how to minimize taxes.